To another tutorial today. I just found out that there is a new email marketing kit on the block. It is really exciting because it's been a while since anybody launched a new email marketing software, and we all know the ones that are huge players right now. We know MailChimp, there's MailerLite, which is popular among beginner email marketers, and then there are the more advanced ones like ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, Drip, especially for e-commerce people, and then the really advanced ones like Infusionsoft that everyone avoids. But this just got launched, and I started hearing the buzz on Facebook, and I needed to check it out for myself. And this is their homepage. Right off the bat, I can see that they believe in really beautiful email marketing, which is something that a lot of people don't pay attention to. They're usually like, your emails just need to go straight to the point. They don't need to be pretty. And then as I scroll down, there's something that just catches my eye immediately, and that is unlimited everything. So as you must be familiar with by now, other software like MailChimp or MailerLite, ConvertKit, they all charge you as either your subscribers increases or for specific features. But for now, and I think that they are in beta, which is why this is available like this. So for everything, you can get all your subscribers for $38 per month. So the first thing I did was to go check for a tutorial, and I can see this lady's tutorial right here. And as I scroll down to the bottom of her page, I found out that you can get 50% off. So that is really exciting for me. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to sign up using her affiliate link so that we can see what this looks like. And I think at the end of this, I'll be able to get my own affiliate link as well, and I would love to share it with you guys so you guys can go check this out. I love when new software are just starting out, and that means you can jump on the train for really cheap and become part of something that might become really big. And this looks so good, so I'm really excited. Let's get started. So I'm going to create my account now, and they're going to ask me to verify my email, which is basic. I'm adding this because I don't even think I remember my password. Okay, so let's look at it. So it says I should verify my email. I should just click this link. So let's get started. This is so exciting. All right. All right, I can sign in now because my email is verified. And that's it. So we're inside of FLODESK. This is really cute and really cool at the same time. Okay, so welcome to the template library. There's like a walkthrough right now. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So you get, if you want to create a freebie, if you want to do some news updates, announcements, thanks, webinar invitation, welcome, and all of that. So okay, the first thing I'm going to say is, since this is newer to the email marketing planet, so to speak, there will be something that will be right off like a bit difficult. That will be integrating with other software, because right now it's still new, so and I think it's still in beta. All right, so what's your goal? Let's say up my email game. So you have the option of a welcome newsletter. So let's say view details, and you can customize it. So let's hit customize. Let's just create a really simple email newsletter that yeah, so it has a tutorial as well. That's it. So we can add logo here. This is a block setting. This is like this is an image. Welcome to my email list. Speak soon. You can add all of this. This is so cute. Okay, so let's see what it looks like on mobile, because most of you guys will be using your mobile, and it actually keeps the orientation of how it is set up, which is really important because a lot of people a lot of email marketing software, when you design it like this, it just kind of stacks it the exact same way. All right, so let's see what we can do with this here. Back to editing. That was the preview, and I can manage my logo. I can put this here. Let's go to documents, downloads, no documents. See. Okay, so we have one logo here. Let's go with this one, and we can add the website here. Save. Okay, that's nice. We can also choose the position, which is center, and then you can say hi there. I'm excited to welcome you to my email list. So let's see if we can add an image here. I have some images here, so let's use this one. And you can add an overlay, so that's pretty neat. Can I drag and drop? You can also choose the zoom that you have. Okay, so let's upload the second image. This is nice. Okay, so I'm glad you're interested. Visit the blog. I'm just going to put a link here. Okay, so link, this is the link button, and I can do okay. So you can also choose your button style. So they have these styles. They have the hollow versions and they have the opaque versions. I'm just going to leave it the way it is because I just want to look at it. And then you can also connect your Instagram account. So let's manage linked accounts. Let's see if I can connect my Instagram account here. Not this one, the other one. Let me switch accounts. Okay, so and I think it's linked now. So you can see my latest Instagram posts here, really simple. And then I can add my social media. These are the icons, and you can add links on the next tab. So let's manage that. Facebook, so we'll do https facebook.com/ I'm just going to copy this because I'll use it quite a number of times. So I'm going to save Facebook, save Instagram. Okay. So whatever one you add is what is going to show up here. And then for my YouTube, I'm just going to do that's really cool. I think I also have a Pinterest. Okay, I think that's all. So they've all added here. You can choose what kind of style you want and what kind of background you want, size and position. There's also an advanced tab here where you can choose the spacing between the icons, and then the brand address. So you notice I didn't set up anything when I signed up for the address, so I'm just going to add my address here, because by law you have to have your address at the bottom of all of your emails. So this is the footer, and it has the unsubscribe. You can also add this style. So let me see what style we get it. Inboxes get it. That's cool. That's really nice. So you get to choose how you cannot subscribe all you want, but you always be in a heart. This is so nice. Um, let me see what direct. Don't want these emails anymore. Unsubscribe. I think I like the honest ones. Or let me see the break. Okay, I'll leave that one there. So this is what it will look like. It looks really nice. Let me see. Can I increase the size of my logo? I think it actually inherited it from the design I made. So you can also send yourself a test. Oh, I would love to see that. Sender, type email address. Let me put my email address here. Okay, send test now. So let's go look at, let's go look at the test and see what it looks like. And I also like to see if it goes to the spam or it goes to my actual inbox. It went to the inbox. That's really good, because deliverability is important when you're doing a message. And this is only showing because I sent it from my Gmail address, which I will just change right now. So this is what it looks like. So it looks the exact same thing. I am absolutely loving this. This is groundbreaking and so beautiful. So the next thing you get to do is to choose your audience. So time zone is, let's just say Eastern. Wow, I don't know what half these are. Okay, Eastern Standard Time. Save. Okay, next. So from name is this. And sender email. I can change my sender email. So the default is going to be this. You can also add domain settings and all of that. So let me just hit back here. So you see, this is saved here. I don't have anybody to send it to, but this is what the backend looks like. And then you have your audience. You can see all your subscribers, and you can also see your segments. So if you segment your subscribers based on, let's just say, test segment. View details. So you can see what that segment is. We have forms here. You can create a form and embed on your site. Like I mentioned earlier, since they may not be integrating with a lot of things right now, the easiest way to get their forms on your site will be actually putting the form physically, like embedding it in your site. So, and then you can create a workflow. So let me see. Let me start from scratch. So let's call this test workflow. Now, one of the things that I personally am a sucker for is beautiful UI, and this kind of gives me that Squarespace vibe, which I really like. So let's say a subscriber is added to a segment as the trigger, and let's say an email should be sent. Let's say this one. Okay, then preview text, click save, and then what next? So I have a few options. If then, so what are the options? I can, the subscriber has opened an email, and move forward. If not, do know. So the only thing I notice right now is that we are limited to the features. So you can only send an email, set a time delay. So a time delay, you can choose minutes, hours, or days. So they don't have the specific date option yet. And they also have if then, which is also limited. But for something that is really new, it's good. It's good. So this is like MailerLite level of functionality. That's what I would say. It's the same level as MailerLite, and well, I have to say it looks better. So let's finish the account setup. So let's look at behind the scenes. So I'm going to put my name here. I don't want to change my password, so I will have to set up my sender email. I'm just going to take this part out. Oh no, not that part, this part, and the email. So add new. So I want to add, you're not supposed to be sending emails from your Gmail account. You're supposed to be sending from your domain email. So I'm going to add my domain email as a sender, and then I can set it as default, so that whenever I send emails, it will send from that setting. You can also add DKIM to authenticate your domain. That will increase your deliverability. I can add some other info here, company address, social media links. Okay, integration. So right now the only integration they have is Shopify integration, and I'm going to go to plans. They have so because of the lady I used, I'm getting it at $19 per month, and then I get the option to share it, which is really cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to share it with you guys in the description. So overall, my initial thoughts, this is amazing, and from what I can see, they are working really hard to make it like much better really soon. So that's a good thing, and this looks way simpler than most other email marketing softwares are. So if you're starting out and you want to start out with something that is simple, you can easily use, and you don't really need to hire anybody to give you that beautiful email outlook that most people are usually asking you to code for them, then this is definitely something you should go with. So I'll be following up on this to see how things change, and I'll give you guys some updates. But overall, my initial thoughts, this is a thumbs up from me. So I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.